Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that might surprise you: how olive oil can benefit your eye health. We all know olive oil is a staple of the Mediterranean diet and praised for its heart and skin benefits. But did you know it could also play a crucial role in protecting your vision and keeping your eyes healthy? Stick around because we're uncovering the science-backed benefits of olive oil for your eyes and how you can incorporate it into your diet for maximum impact. Number 1. Why eye health matters. Before we dive into olive oil, let's talk about why eye health is so important. With the rise of screen time and longer working hours, our eyes are under more strain than ever. It's estimated that more than 2.2 billion people worldwide have some form of vision impairment, with many cases linked to preventable causes like poor nutrition. This is where your diet comes into play. Consuming the right nutrients can protect your eyes from damage, reduce the risk of diseases like macular degeneration, and even improve your overall vision. Number 2. Olive oil, a superfood for your eyes. So, what makes olive oil a superstar for eye health? Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats that are essential for maintaining the health of your eyes. One key antioxidant is vitamin E, which protects the cells in your eyes from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. This damage is a major contributor to age-related eye diseases like cataracts and macular degeneration. Number 3. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Another benefit of olive oil is its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can lead to a host of eye problems, including dry eye syndrome and retinal damage. Olive oil contains compounds like oleocanthal, which work similarly to anti-inflammatory medications, helping to reduce inflammation naturally. This is particularly beneficial for people who spend hours in front of screens, as it helps combat the discomfort and dryness that often comes with digital eye strain. Number 4. Boosting absorption of vital nutrients. Here's something interesting. Olive oil doesn't just benefit your eyes directly. It also helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Vitamin A is especially important for eye health because it supports the production of rhodopsin, a pigment in your retina that helps you see in low-light conditions. Adding olive oil to your meals ensures your body gets the most out of these critical nutrients. Number 5. Research-backed benefits. Still not convinced? Let's look at the science. A 2020 study published in the journal Nutrients found that people who consumed diets rich in olive oil had a 34% lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. Another study showed that the antioxidants in olive oil could significantly reduce oxidative stress in the eyes, a key factor in preventing vision loss. These findings show just how powerful olive oil can be for long-term eye health. Number 6. How to incorporate olive oil into your diet. So, how can you start reaping these benefits? Here are a few easy ways to incorporate olive oil into your diet. Number 1. Drizzle on salads. Use it as a base for dressings with lemon juice and herbs. Number 2. Cook with it. Replace butter or other cooking oils with olive oil for sautéing or roasting. Number 3. Dip your bread. Enjoy it with whole grain bread and a sprinkle of herbs for a Mediterranean-style snack. Number 4. Add to smoothies. Yes, a small amount of olive oil can even blend well into green smoothies for added richness and health benefits. Number 7. Choosing the right olive oil. Not all olive oils are created equal. For maximum benefits, always choose extra virgin olive oil, as it's the least processed and contains the highest levels of antioxidants and nutrients. Look for oils that come in dark bottles to protect them from light and store them in a cool, dark place to maintain their quality. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health and nutrition tips. Thanks for watching.